Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a common Dhokla like shop at your home. So I'm going to show you step by step. So here I took 1 cup of besan, gram flour, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It gives a nice taste in the common Dhokla, and I am going to add half a cup of water to make a smooth batter of this besan. So here I am adding half a cup of water. So I left some of the water and I am going to do with the whisk to make a smooth batter. So I am using the whisk to make a smooth batter. So the batter is done, and in this I am going to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your Dhokla. So here I am adding some salt. So the batter is ready. So I'm going to keep this one here and take the another bowl, and in this I'm going to apply some oil so that the Dhokla won't stick. So that we have to apply the oil in all the surroundings. And in this, I am going to add this batter. And I am going to add this batter also. In this batter, I am going to add, can you see, 1 teaspoon of Eno powder, and we have to mix this one again. So take a small pressure cooker or any vessel. In this I kept a small plate, and I am going to keep this batter, and we have to cook this one for 5 to 10 minutes until this is fully done. So I put it in the pressure cooker. What I am going to do, I am going to cover this one with the lid, and we have to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. The Dhokla will be ready. So after 5 minutes, I am going to check with the knife. So this is perfectly cooked, guys, and it's time to switch off the flame. So when it becomes cool down, we have to put it in another plate. Not now, after 5 to 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am going to do the tempering for the Dhokla. For tempering, take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. In this I added some mustard seeds, and I am adding some green chilies, and I am going to saute this one for a minute. In this I am going to add some water. So we have to add half a cup of water. And when it started boiling, we have to add the sugar. So this is the tempering for the Dhokla, guys. So the water started boiling, and in this I am going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar. I added 3 teaspoons of sugar. If you don't have the sugar, you can add the powdered sugar also. So and we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we have to add it in the Dhokla. So this is ready, guys, and this is very soft, and I am going to add that sugar syrup in the Dhokla. So the Dhokla is ready, guys. Can you see? Perfectly cooked. So this is a quick video of how to make perfect common Dhokla at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. So I will show you one piece. செய்ய. Bye.